children, today we are going to discuss the second kingdom, Kingdom Protista. Characteristics of Kingdom Protista: simple, unicellular, eukaryotic organisms. Unicellular, made up of single cell. Eukaryotic, well-defined nucleus is present. So, well-defined nucleus and membrane-bound organelles are present. For locomotion, various structures are present like cilia, flagella and pseudopodia that I will show you in the next slide. Some are autotroph, that is they can prepare their own food and are known as algae. These algae shows some plant characteristics like they have cell wall made up of cellulose and they have chloroplast. Some are heterotrophs and show some animal-like characteristics like absence of cell wall and absence of chloroplast. Examples of Protista. Some of the important examples of Protista are Chlamydomonas, Paramecium, Euglena and Amoeba. Amoeba we have to discuss in detail, but let's have a brief idea about others also. Chlamydomonas. Chlamydomonas is generally found in stagnant or fresh water. It is unicellular algae and it is generally oval in shape. Chloroplast is present which helps them to prepare their own food. Flagella is present which help them to move from one place to another. Most of the protists, they have both the characteristics of plant cell and animal cell. Paramecium. Paramecium is unicellular, free-living organism. It is slipper-shaped. Whole body is covered by hair-like cilia which helps them to move from one place to another and capture food for them. Euglena. Euglena is unicellular eukaryote. It has the characteristic of both plant and animals. Like plant, it can prepare their own food using chloroplast. And like animals, they have flagella and they can move from one place to another. Cell wall is present, but it is not made up of cellulose. Amoeba. Amoeba, as you can see, is of irregular shape. They do not have any fixed shape. Structure of amoeba. Amoeba is unicellular and is found in fresh water. Body is irregular shape. There is no definite shape of amoeba. Finger-like projection called pseudopodia help in locomotion. Pseudopodia is just a false feet. The cytoplasm extend themselves towards the direction of the movement and form pseudopodia. Body is covered by cell membrane. Cell membrane is very thin and helps in respiration and excretion. Cytoplasm has nucleus in center, a large contractile vacuole and many food vacuoles. Nucleus, as in eukaryote, is well defined and membrane bound. Contractile vacuoles help in excretion of ammonia and removal of excess water present in cytoplasm. Digestion of food occurs inside food vacuoles. All the enzymes present in cytoplasm is given in the food vacuole to digest the food. So this is all about the structure of amoeba. Next we will discuss the nutrition and reproduction in amoeba. Till then, stay at home and stay safe.